Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and grounding so you won't lose reference mid-sync. Once done, select the master gyro as the source and put the repeater into receive or standby mode. You then note the repeater's displayed heading and any mechanical offset versus the master. Write those down. Make small mechanical adjustments, loosen clamps or set gimbal stops, so the repeater can follow without binding. This early alignment prevents large corrections later and stabilizes the control loop before timing synchronizing. You now synchronize timing. Align the master's sync pulses with the repeater's input phase so they arrive within the expected window. Use the repeater's phase or delay control and make incremental adjustments while observing the repeater's response. Once pulses are aligned, trim the heading using the fine potentiometer or the system's digital offset in small steps, 1/10 degree at a time. Make sure the repeater's error readout or rate gyro indicator settles near 0. If it oscillates, reduce correction gain and repeat. You finish by engaging the sync lock or accept command so the repeater follows the master continuously. Then run the system through typical motions and monitor for at least 1 hour to confirm stability under load. Record final offset values, secure covers and clamps, and label the repeater with the calibration date. If you still see drift or oscillation, reduce the correction gain, recheck pulse phase alignment, and repeat fine adjustments. That troubleshooting step usually resolves persistent errors caused by timing or over-aggressive gain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.